Making candy is fun. There's something truly enchanting about creating your own sweet treats at home. The process is not only enjoyable but also incredibly rewarding. Imagine the joy of mixing ingredients, watching them transform into delicious candies right before your eyes. You can make delicious treats that are both unique and delightful. From shaping caramel turtles to drizzling chocolate, every step is a chance to add your personal touch. The best part? You know exactly what goes into your creations. Share them with friends and family. Homemade candies bring people together, creating moments of joy and connection. Whether it's a casual get-together or a special occasion, your homemade treats will be the highlight. Everyone will love your homemade candies. Homemade treats are special. They show you care and put thought into every bite. The smiles and appreciation from your loved ones make all the effort worthwhile. They are perfect for gifts. A beautifully wrapped box of homemade candies makes a heartfelt gift for any occasion. Enjoy the process and savor the sweet results. You need just a few things. Pecans are classic. Caramel is sweet and gooey. Chocolate makes it perfect. Use milk chocolate or dark chocolate. Choose smooth or chunky caramel. Let's get started. First, toast the pecans. This makes them extra tasty. Let them cool completely. Arrange the pecans in clusters. Use parchment paper on a baking sheet. Now for the caramel. Start by placing a spoonful of rich golden caramel on each pecan cluster. Make sure to cover the pecans evenly so that every bite has that delicious caramel flavor. Allow the caramel to set for a bit until it firms up slightly. Meanwhile, melt your chocolate carefully. You can use a double boiler for a smooth melt or a microwave-safe bowl for convenience. Stir frequently to avoid burning. Once your chocolate is perfectly melted, pour it generously over each caramel pecan cluster. Use a spoon to spread the chocolate evenly, ensuring it covers the caramel and pecans completely. This will create a beautiful glossy chocolate shell. Now, let them cool until the chocolate hardens. Once set, you'll have delightful chocolate caramel turtles that not only taste amazing, but also look like adorable little turtles. Section 5. Cooling and setting your turtles. This is a crucial step to ensure your chocolate caramel turtles have the perfect texture and taste. Let the turtles cool completely at room temperature. This process might take a bit of time, but it's worth the wait. This helps the chocolate harden properly, giving it a nice snap when you bite into it. Don't put them in the fridge. Rapid cooling can cause the chocolate to bloom, resulting in a dull and streaky appearance. Once the turtles are set and the chocolate is firm, you can pick them up and enjoy their delightful texture. They are rich and delicious, a perfect blend of chocolate and caramel that melts in your mouth. Enjoy every bite. Section 6. Storing your homemade treats. Store your turtles in an airtight container. This keeps them fresh and tasty. Keep them at room temperature. Enjoy your turtles within a week. They are a perfect treat. Section 7. Flavor adventures. Exploring variations. Use different nuts like walnuts or pecans. Add a pinch of sea salt to the caramel. Get creative and have fun. Section 8. Sharing the sweetness. Gifting and enjoying. Turtles are great for sharing. Package them in small bags or boxes. Give them as gifts. Homemade turtles are always a hit. Enjoy.